Cubic graphs. In today's lesson, we will be looking at plotting cubic graphs. Now, we've done straight line graphs before, and we've done quadratic graphs before. The links to these are on the website. A quadratic graph is a U-shaped graph, and a straight line graph is obviously a straight line graph, but a cubic graph also has a very distinct shape, so we're going to be looking at that. But cubic here means you're going to have a x cubed, okay, in your equation, and that is a cubic graph. Okay, so let's have a look at plotting some cubic graphs then. I've got a axis drawn here, and the first graph we are going to draw is a simple one, y equals x cubed. So plot your little table, x and y. I'm going to do -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, and let's just see what happens. So to work out y, I've got to cube my x. So we'll do the positive numbers for because they're easy. 0 cubed, which means 0 times 0 times 0 is 0. 1 cubed is 1 times 1 times 1, which is just 1. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. And then 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27. Okay, now -1 cubed is where it gets slightly tricky. -1 cubed is -1 times -1 times -1. Well, -1 times -1 is +1 because two negatives multiply together to make a positive. Times by -1 would be -1. Okay, because a positive times a negative is a negative. Likewise, that's exactly the same here. That would be a -8 and -27. So let's draw our graph. Plot the coordinates. You can write the coordinates out if you wish to do so. Well, -3 and 27 would be 29, 28, 27 would be here. Oh, hang on a minute. That's +27, isn't it? So let's go back down. Good job. I figure that out at the moment. There we are. We're there. -2, -8 would be here. -1, -1 here. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 8, and 3, 27 this time. Okay, and then let's join the graph up. Again, nice smooth curve, no straight lines or dot to dot, and there we are. There is our cubic graph. So our cubic graph always has this distinct shape, okay, like this. Okay, let's have a look at drawing another graph. Here we are. This time we are going to draw the graph of y equals x cubed minus 2x. Again, x and y. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so let's write down what we're going to do. Let's do the positives. So we're going to do 0 cubed minus 2 times 0. Well, 0 cubed is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 cubed minus 2 times 1. Well, 1 cubed is just 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is -1. Sometimes it helps to write it down like this. We're going to do 2 cubed minus 2 times 2. Well, 2 cubed we already know from above is 8 minus 4, which is 4. Okay, 3 cubed now. Let's do 3 cubed minus 2 times 3. Well, 3 cubed is 27 minus 6. Okay, 27 minus 6 is 21. Let's do -1. So this is where it gets slightly tricky. -1 cubed minus 2 times -1. Well, -1 cubed is -1 times -1 times -1, which is -1. And then -2 times -1 is +2. Okay, and that just gives me the number 1. Right, next one. I'm going to have -2 cubed minus 2 times -2. -2 times -2 times -2 is -8. The -2 times -2 is +4. That is -4. The next one, -3 cubed minus 2 times -3. Well, -3 cubed is -3 times -3 times -3, which is -27, plus 6, okay, which is -21. Okay, so let's have a look then at plotting this graph on our axes. So I've got -3 and -21, which is here, -2 and 4, -4, sorry, -1 and +1, 0, 0, then 1, -1, 2, 4, and 3 and 21. There we are. And then all I'm going to do is join the dots up, and there we are, and you can extend your graph, and we have drawn our cubic graph here. And we can see that that's what cubic graphs look like when we plot them out and we draw them. And if you don't get this particular shape or particular line, then you've done something wrong. So you need to go back and check your coordinates. But this is today's lesson for cubic graphs. Thank you for watching.